Well, guys, getting ready for the sale. I'm here in the sound booth with Dave here today. And guys, we're getting ready to kind of put out an ad for the radio and such like that. So Dave's going to show you people that will not hear this on the radio what it sounds like here today.
You ready?
Absolutely.
Here we go. Well, folks, this
Not gonna
is
let
Will
you hear it
Meadows
all.
here. And guys, I will be the first to invite you to the 10th annual It's All Black and White.
Now, I tell you what,
Full
Dave's real
male and
good at
female
this
sale.
because
And
he's
guys,
got
this
the
will take
music
place
just
March
humming in
1st
there.
At 12 o'clock noon at South Alabama Stockyards. Guys, for more information, visit MeadowsCreekFarm.com or give Richard a call at 334-797.
Gotta come see us.